Zesty Chorizo and Prawn Linguini combines the rich smokiness of chorizo with the freshness of tiger prawns, all twirled together with a silky linguine. It is an absolute winning combo. Quick to whip up, packed with protein and bursting with flavour. Whether it's a busy weeknight or a casual dinner outside with a chilled glass of white wine, this linguine is sure to hit the spot every time. This is how you make it. First thing we're going to do is chop up 50 grams of chorizo reasonably small. You can use the hot kind or normal, totally up to you. And then we're going to do the same with one red chili. Now I'm taking the seeds out of this and I'm only using one chili just to give a little bit of background heat, but if you really like your pasta dishes fiery, you can obviously add more. And then once you've done that, we're going to do the same with cherry or plum tomatoes. So we're using about 400 grams of these. You could use chopped tomatoes if you wanted, but using the whole tomatoes is going to just make the sauce much better. It also makes it look more visually appealing too. And then at this stage, while we're prepping our veg, we're going to chop up some parsley as well. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Heat a pan with some oil on a medium heat, add that chorizo and chili along with 400 grams of uncooked tiger prawns. And you want to fry that for a few minutes until the prawns are pretty much cooked through, and then we're going to add in some garlic, give it a further 30 seconds to a minute of frying, and then we're going to add in the chopped tomatoes. We're also going to add in some red wine vinegar along with a little splash of water, and then just stir all that through and cook it until the tomatoes start to break down. So that's about 5 minutes or so. Once it's pretty much ready to go, you're going to add in some parsley and along with a little bit of lemon juice just to give it a bit of tartness, some pepper, and check your seasoning. You probably want to add in a little bit of salt as well. For serving suggestions, as the name suggests, I think this goes best with linguine, but you could use spaghetti or tagliatelle, totally up to you. And if you are serving with pasta, make sure to mix it together. Don't just put the pasta on the plate and then the sauce on top. That is not how it's done properly, and it doesn't look very good that way either. And you also get bits of dried, boring pasta. So mix it all through, then plate it up, hit it up with some more parsley, a bit of black pepper. You can put some chili oil on it as well if you want. Just get stuck in and enjoy. So there we go, that is prawn and chorizo linguine. Super quick and easy recipe to make, and I really hope you enjoy it. And as always, if you want more high protein recipes, make sure to click that subscribe button so you get notified as soon as I post a new recipe. And if you want the full recipe along with about 300 others, make sure to download my high protein recipes app, and there's a link below in the description and you can get it right away. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully we'll see you back here again soon. See ya.